So now we're going to play with Jin. And now look at ayun. Super dog, Jin.
Give me 5, Jin.
Give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. Very good. La 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 la. La. Uy, oh. Oops. So we're now playing with Jin. Not actually good, but I'm riding with her. Very good. Shake hands. Challenge again. Shake hands. Jin, shake hands. Jin. Very good. High five. High five. Jin. High five. Never mind. I'm scared.
Zoom. Don't zoom in.
Uy, wag naman.
You're so cute.
Go there. Let's hide from her. So now we're going to hide Jin. Going to play again. Going to play again.
So, we're hiding with Jin. We're playing hide and seek with Jin. And we are hiding from our mini pool. Because it's
This is a mini pool. Hey guys, so we're hiding from Jin. this flip-flop for Jean. Oopsie. So now we're gonna go filming.
We're going to
Konti.
let's play with Jean. I'm going to do it. Can you? I'm going to put
I'm-
her there.
And I will go in.
No,
the
I am
food.
going to do that.
So I will.
Yeah.
There.
Jean, come here. Inside. 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 Inside.
Wait. I will just.
Okay. Come on.
Just.
Oopsie. That's what
Into hair cage.
Yeah. So I'm going inside.
Oh my god.
Jean. So this is Jean. Yay. I'm going to close this because she's so naughty. Oh, there's a
Okay.
game.
Go.
Go. Wait a minute. I'm the first. Jean, this is another one. You missed another one. Here, Jean.
So now who's next?
Sassy. Go there. Into your cage. Into your cage. Hey, into your cage. Your cage. Go inside your cage.
Who's next?
Sassy.
Okay, I will just. Okay.
First, you do.
So I'm here just. So now I am going. Go again. Don't go inside.
I'm going inside.
I'll go. Let's go first. And I will go.
Sassy.
Don't go.
Sassy, come here. Don't go in there. Wait a minute. Okay, we're back. And Sassy is still inside.
Okay.
So this is Where's the... Okay, game. Here is it. Sassy, here. Here, Sassy. You missed so... Sassy, come here. Sassy, you missed so many... You missed it. Here. Here, and then here. Sassy, here. Hey, you missed one.
Can you post
Okay,
it for
very good.
Can you post it for a minute?
Very good, Sassy. Sassy, come here. Go inside your cage. Sassy. Sassy. Go inside. Then we're going to our playing room. Or our filming room.
Gano'n sa kanya. Ayan. Sorry. For speaking Tagalog, guys. Sorry.
Ew, you're gross.
Because I thought that is post.
And then 4 for Sassy. For Sassy. Here is for Sassy.
I gotta open or not? No.
So, okay, done.
Done. I'm here. And we're going to watch our hand. Our hand.
So, and we're just going to post it. So, we are going to our filming room.
Right now.
Yeah. What? Are you filming?
I'm just capturing our film.
No, don't do that.
I just posted Instagram and I will say our filming room.
Yun sa Mara Lahaton?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait.
So now can we watch movie? Just if
Hey, don't...
okay. Hey, can
Don't
we watch?
post it in don't post it in Facebook, just
Yeah.
only in Instagram.
Yeah. Oh. So
This is my
hello.
telephone. This is my dad's telephone. But it's connected to the other one. There. Yeah. So
This is the TV.
we're going to watch a movie.
I'm going to sit and I'm above. Just kidding.
What do you want? Coraline. Not Cinderella.
No, I don't like it.
I like this. I don't like this Cinderella. I like this Brave.
Brave,
one.
Brave.
Okay. Tangled. Or
Just
Frozen.
can we?
How to Train Your Dragon. Happy Feet. No.
Don't you want? Do you want to some have snacks?
You're going to buy.
Or I'm going to go in the house because we have some snacks in there. May have pancake for you, but it's not.
How about let's buy piatas again.
Okay, so We're going, okay. So we're going to,
So wait
Bye.
a minute. So wait a minute.
So,
we are just going
we
to
choose our decision and
we are going to buy our snack for the movie.
so
And this is our movie.
this is our choose
We
Brave.
chose Brave.
Brave.
Because this is when me and my sister watched that, I almost cry.
and wait me, I will cry too.
So we are just going to buy some snacks. So wait a minute.
So now we have our snack. It's pandan cake, it's 2 and piatos cheese flavor. So we're so tired because we run. And just for a minute. And friends gonna talk to you.
No, I'm not. Down.
Boom! Pa! Boom! Yes, boom!
Oh!
So sorry for that because we're so tired. And friends, can you get water? So I'm gonna sit like a boss. Just kidding.
No, I'm the boss.
Yeah, Franz is right. She's the boss. So did
No,
you
Dad
hear
is
that?
the boss. My dad is the boss.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He is John alone. Oh yeah. So if you are questioning where we go in our house and in the store.
We bought some.
So we start. So forward. Ay, sorry. Movie time. Movie time.
So we are gonna watch the movie. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye, YouTube.
Bye YouTube. Bye bye.
See you tomorrow.
Bye bye.